Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my page, please click the subscribe button. But if you're an old viewer, thank you guys for stopping by. You are great sweetheart. So today we're going to be talking about everything you need to know about tretinoin. We're going to talk about the two percentages. This is the 0.05 and the 0.025, and who should you use each of them. So tretinoin is a vitamin A derivative. It's just like the way they have glycolic acid, lactic acid, hyperpigmentation, and treatment products, and so many other things. All of them joined together, tretinoin can do it. But at what expense? The first thing you need to know as a beginner to tretinoin is that you should start from the lowest percentage, which is the 0.025. How to use it. Tretinoin is not just something you can just take and apply as a sports treatment or just apply it all over your body, mask it. There are three methods of applying tretinoin. The first method is the buffering method. The second method is the short contact method. And the third method, and the most popular one, is the sandwich method. We're going to talk about these three methods step by step. The first one, which is the buffering method, after washing your face, you apply your moisturizer on your skin, then you apply the tretinoin, then leave it on your face. Is when you apply, after washing your face, you let your face dry, you apply your moisturizer, you apply your tretinoin, then you apply your moisturizer again on top, just like the sandwich. The tretinoin will be the beef patty and the vegetables, while your moisturizer will be your bread. Then the third method, which short contact method, is a situation whereby you apply your moisturizer on your skin, then apply your tretinoin, then you wash it off. You wait for 10 to 20 minutes, then wash it off. That is the short contact method. So as a beginner, we're going to start with the sandwich method because it is going to be less effective. It's going to have less impact on your skin. When it comes to tretinoin, less is better. Using smaller amount is better than packing it all over your face. You're not going to get what you want from tretinoin if you pack everything on your face at once. Who should you use tretinoin? But I would advise, if you have a very serious acne, any type of acne, pustules, nodules, papules, that is when you should use tretinoin. Or if you have a serious hyperpigmentation that has not gone, you've tried every other product, you've tried all these other smaller ones, you've tried retinol too, every other thing, you've tried it, and still it is not yet gone, that is when you can try to use tretinoin. And when using tretinoin, you should use it only once a week as a beginner. Gradually you can now increase, but just once a week or 2 times a week. Then depending on your skin type, if you have sensitive skin, this one will ruin your skin if you use it anyhow. Your skin is gonna cry. Why does your skin get worse after using tretinoin for 1 to 2 months? Most times you're purging, other times you're breaking out. Purging is different from breaking out. Tretinoin can cause you to purge, tretinoin can cause you to break out. The difference is that purging gets better, while breakout doesn't get better. Purging means that the tretinoin is trying to purge your skin from every other acne that is about to form, and it's going to bring everything out. That is what is called purging. And after using it for 1 to 2 months and you start purging, in the 3rd to 4th month, your skin will start getting better. But when you're breaking out, after 1 to 2 months, it's still not better. It means you're breaking out and you should stop. Okay, so these two are different. If your skin keeps getting worse after 3 months, 4 months of using tretinoin, then you have to stop. After 2 months, if it gets worse, then the 3rd month it gets better. That is when you know that tretinoin works for you. How do I use this tretinoin in my night routine? First thing, you need a good sunscreen. You need something you can reapply. A sunscreen you can reapply, or a sunscreen you can reapply. Thirdly, you need a very good moisturizer. Fourthly, you need to take out every other exfoliating products from your routine. Now let's create a tretinoin routine, because when you go to your notes, write tretinoin routine, so that particular day, let's say Wednesdays or Thursday, you take your notes out and check the step-by-step things to do. Firstly, wash your face with a gentle cleanser. No active should be in the cleanser, no glycolic acid should be in the cleanser, nothing, just a simple cleanser. You can use the one from Simple. It's the simplest cleanser I can get for face fat, or a ceramide cleanser. Second step, you can use your hyaluronic acid. Third thing that should be in your routine or your tretinoin night routine is a very good moisturizer. Anyone can wear, but the moisturizer should not have any active ingredient. This is now time for the tretinoin. Take a pea-sized amount. That is what you should apply all over your face. Trust me, it's going to be enough for your face. Then after using your tretinoin, then you wait 1 minute again. You apply the moisturizer on top of your skin. That is the sandwich method. I hope this information helped you. That's trying to start using tretinoin out of the blues. You cannot just start out of the blues. Make sure you have to use it before you start using it, because if not, it's going to ruin your skin. And to go back to that your former skin, it will be hard. Your skin is going to get worse. So I hope this video helps you. Please leave a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, because you're going to be getting everyday video, like every day. So love you guys, and thank you for watching till the end.